Today is the last day of the keto sale. If you guys would like to try and lose weight with me on this journey, this weight loss journey, Perfect Keto is doing this sale on their website. Today is the last day that you can get some amazing, amazing deals. So I will leave everything that you need to know in the description below, including the link if you would like to get some goodies. Today, we are doing this incredible neutral smoky eye. I absolutely love how this turned out. I absolutely love everything about this look. And it's with Scarlet. And if you guys don't know Scarlet, then you're really missing out, because let me tell you, they have some of the best quality makeup that I have tried out in a long time. You guys already know they're one of my favorite brands, and I work with them a lot. And today, we're gonna be going in with volume 20. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are too. I will link all of Scarlet's info in the description below. Guess what? Another Scarlet palette! Honestly, I really love this palette because look how cute this, oh my gosh. That is so adorable. And also, oof, this palette is so wearable. Look at these colors and tones. If you guys don't know what Scarlet is, it is a makeup subscription plan in which you get a new palette and sometimes other goodies every other month in the mail. And it's really nice for if you want to experiment with new makeup but don't really want to go shopping for it. This is the Scarlet edition number 20. I like to think I look like her. Okay, that's a lie. All right, girl can dream though. First, we are going to prime our eyelids. Ooh, we real close. I have no other makeup on except for some lotion, and I've already done my eyebrows. I am going to be going in with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. I'm gonna go in with this mini flat brush by Collab and just blend that out. Did you guys know that I have a TikTok? If you guys didn't, go check it out and leave some purple hearts in my videos, and I'll know you guys are from the YouTube fam. It is Beautybyjosiek, just like it is here on TikTok. Also, would you guys like to see more TikToks? Let's go into this palette. So we are first going to take the big one, Caramel Swirl, and put that into our crease. All right, then we are going to take Olay, this color right here. We're gonna put that underneath our brow bone. It's this really pretty cream shimmer shade that is legit perfect for underneath the brow bone. And if you guys don't know this, Scarlet has one of the best eyeshadow qualities that I've ever used. It's definitely top 5. Honestly, they may be even top 3 eyeshadows, in my opinion. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Although I have worked with I do work with Scarlet a lot. Now we're gonna go in with Dark Roast. This really dark one. We're gonna put this on to the outer portion of this look. All right, then we're gonna take a mix of the two that we used, the Caramel Swirl and then the Dark Roast, and we're gonna put that on the bottom portion of our eyes. We're gonna start with Caramel Swirl, and now we're gonna go in with Double Shot, which is the super pretty shimmer shade right here. We're gonna put this onto our lid. I'm just gonna use my fingers. And then last but not least, we're gonna add the Golden Latte right to the center of our lid. Let's pop on some eyeliner. You guys already know my go-to is NYX Epic Ink Liner. All right, let's put some lashes on. I'm gonna put on a super light face, literally tinted moisturizer, and I will set that and be right back. I'm gonna actually go into Caramel Swirl, and we're gonna use a little bit of this to just kind of define our face just a little bit. All right, and then just to sheer that out, I'm gonna go in with some pressed powder. This is just the Sheer Tint Finishing Powder by e.l.f. I am then going to just spritz this with a little tiny bit of water and pick some of the Golden Latte up, and we are just going to place this right in the center of our eye to make it look more just concentrated right in the center. Oof. We're gonna go into the deck of Scarlet liquid lipsticks, and I am going to apply Slow Jams to my lips. There we are. That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below to become part of the GLAMFAM. Don't forget to check out Deck of Scarlet. I will leave all of the info down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah.